Volunteering for me has never been a choice. It is always something that I've always wanted to do. For me, volunteering is extremely important, and my volunteering is animal welfare. I want to be the voice for every animal out there, and I don't want a single animal to drench itself in its rain, to sit there without food, to stray in hunger. I don't want to see that. I want to be the voice for the mute, and I will always be.
Hi, I want to volunteer because I was told by my parents since childhood that you should always help the needy people. And even I feel that it's a moral responsibility to give something back to the society.
Volunteering. I think volunteering is not something that you should do for benefiting the society, because whatever you do for the society in turn comes back to you. Also, I would say that volunteering develops you as a person. So your personality develops. Team management, conflict management, crisis management. All of these things are something that you would learn only when you imply what you want to do in your life or what you keep preaching.
बदल हे बोलून घडत नाही. बदल घडवण्यासाठी स्वतःमध्ये बदल आणावे लागतात. तुम्ही स्वतः बदलाल तर जग बदलेल.
Hi. The reason why I want to be a volunteer is because everybody wants the change, but nobody wants to change. And I hope this one small step makes the difference.
I am a volunteer with Awake Nation. I'm sure you can also be a volunteer. So people ask me why a volunteer for Awake Nation. So the reason is very simple. You do a small thing for others and it brings a smile on their face. So a child who's deprived of nutrition, if you give him a meal for the day, and that smile is very genuine. So that is something which really drives you for the entire day. If we all come forward, then India will be a better place to live in.
Hi. First of all, thank you so much for making me get an opportunity to talk about volunteering. As far as my experience is concerned, volunteering is just like a chance to see something different, what you can do different. According to me, the best feeling that one gets after volunteering or parting some of your time, some of your own self towards the society is like the happiness is just equal to the happiness when you see your child smile for the first time or when your child starts walking for the first time. The happiness is it's long lasting. For me, the best happiness, this kind of happiness we will get when we will make our youth, the youth which is going to be next generation, next India, skill, and they do something what they really want to do. Giving them the platform will be equal to when you see your child walking for the first time.